Human rights protection in Nigeria is enshrined in documents like the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, African Charter on Human and People's Rights, which Nigeria is a signatory to, as well as the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Despite the existence of these legal documents, the media has a big role to play in making sure that Nigerians are aware of these rights, as explained by this communication expert.
The media may serve as a bridge between the community and the security actors in monitoring and enforcing and in reporting these cases so that as much as possible can hold people accountable or responsible for what they have been mandated to do by law, which is protecting and enforcing human rights.
As torchbearers of the society, many believe that practicing journalists have a lot to do in the protection of rights of human beings through effective reporting of violations, as many are suffering one form of abuse or another due to lack of media coverage.
Journalists have, a broad role to play when it comes to human rights abuses, human rights protections in the country. We are advocates for even the less privileged and some victims of human rights abuses. Through media, you should be able to project their situations or tell their story better to draw government's attention to their plight, because some of these persons are people that cannot even speak for themselves.
Human rights sensitive reporting, so that also they do not violate the right of persons that are also assumed to be perpetrators when otherwise have not been declared guilty by any court of law, and just so they are sensitive to all of these issues.
For some residents, cases of abuse are on the rise because most citizens do not know their rights, as well as those of others as they go about their daily interactions. This is why they feel the media can help inform and educate Nigerians.
Unsecured, we are vulnerable. We are faced with threats, attacks, which may be both emotional and physical attacks. Sometimes you receive threat calls, sometimes people come. For some of us who are even on social media, it is common to find people coming to your thread, saying all sorts of things, giving you names.
According to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, all humans, irrespective of ethnicity, gender, race, religion, and other creeds, have inalienable rights. These include right to life, right to freedom of thought, conscience and religion, right to freedom of expression and the press, right to private and family life, and many more.